Mwancho muliyeri nainde nigo chiaragire Chinsa Ikomi chiabona magoroba ekero kwegena kwane buna nogendrete kwegokia aso kubwati mirubirionsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii na manga gendrete gokoreka ekero turocho murai oriwe kiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga amona baraibande kurwase umurengo azimio la umoja wa Kenya bagendrete no musangirikano bwa masaboyo wakangambye mono ime ye county ya Narok nechiga kiwego murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto agendrete gusanga nabasae asamagacho a KICC asekerenga kyoko kwanira igoro ya mangana yogo nchureria kwerire wono manchu mulingo kwarigania semesa ya maye Chinsa Ikomi eri ngumanya ina kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge nyora sesemo ya Facebook ni gora tunyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tunyarwetera Ndizi TV News na sumutanda utita na bogo twetera @Ndizi TV News eri togendere gusanga na boigo kwimanya manke. Abigail Nyanchamane rokoine kiachibicha niriogi chawe keira senchera yabene nanchiritriane Everlyne Osero sanga na intuwika omwerio toko ya chaka senchera yobwenge kurwase county ya Kisii awase aboroki wachi mibere na meronke 5 kurwase ebunge gose kurwase wodi ya Masimba ebunge ya Nyarima Masaba ababete baweta gochiase chi university banyorire ogosiro kwa bene kurwase omwemsiwe wodi ya Masimba boss Mairura no muroberio okorekana gosogendrete asegeti yeskuru yoboroso ya Masimba awase aboroki wabo na boigo abaibori baikira naso bonge erio konyora ogosiroko nemo yegabo igobo wekiranwa negati abarai kurwase chiwodi au gati yabo omochumbe ebo chitago borabo imebunge ya South Mugrango oyo nyana bo bagoga wakangambya mono gochiase abaibori asogosira bagendrete korwa gochiase aborokiwa akwene kiabunango ikera gosengo ikeri bare chisemi namono ni gaborira aborokiwa bakwenda se university kobeka omukya elio koba goserio koba bagokonya abaibori babo asama tukamambya
nero lazima togoke because we are celebrating abanafunzi bakwenda go join university and I think from the list na rojega it may be the highest number ya banafunzi ase wodi go join university taribo igo mashmiwa it is an achievement. Number 1 tete gwakira abaibori biamono. Number 2 baibori mbara okonyora nande baraba alimu gosaba alimu baitoga ase wodi ya Masimba tete kubakira special thank you aso gukonya abana baito weta matema biya sana kera abana bakwende university twachaiga tumerana twagoka twabasegeta bagende bakora umuki bache gotokonya mambire mambiende tariboigo
Mwancho muliyeri omurike ito Mildred Mumanye na begete kambia senseme yo nanchiko tumanyia manke buna emeroberio erabe kego korekana togotikana nayo muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigagenderete gusanga nabasae ase umusangirekano orengeta mangana yogo nchureria kwerire oyobere kogo korekana ase amagacho a KICC imeyo mucho Nairobi Ruto nigagenderete gukwanira emeroberio au eyera konye abasae ase okwegendereria agati abasabere kagukwanira igoro yobotwibwe chingoko na otayona no muroberio omuyakegima orakonye abasae aso kwenyorera engeria.
That is the space that not only gives us an opportunity to have a globe that is food secure, but also creates real value, real jobs, real enterprises, and real wealth, if I may say that, real wealth. So the investments are modest. The technology is available on what you need to do. The raw materials are local, and the technology, including know-how, is also local. Chicken farming is not something new. It's been here for us for decades. And the markets are also available. In fact, chicken is the cheapest source of protein. So if you're looking for the cheapest source of protein, do chicken farming. And if you're looking at sustainability, that you need to get the easiest, the cheapest route to making sure that we have the proteins to support our growth.
Negati y'ababwatani korwase byombe au bya serikali nigo besokire na kworokia ogutagokiwa kwabo kubwatkana nemerobero nabaigo amariganyo yomusangirikano bwo gucengera osibwo bwo kwanira amangana yo gonchorera kwerire uyorobeiriye go cyakaritwo lya ankyo ime ye county ya Nairobi. Ababwatani abo insenyo bomo bwa Pan African Climate Justice Alliance nigo batebire go sebagike iriye omurobero yobuna ogendrete na utana musangirikano yoni gorobeiriye ase obuya bw'abantogete na kugania abantu korwa Chinsemo aononye bali batari ase serikali ko bwataniwa eri korwa omochangobo asamangana yogonchurira kwerire.
As African leaders prepare to gather for the upcoming Africa Climate Summit, we, a collective of 9 state actors, bringing together diverse groups across sectors, express deep concern and disappointment over the preparation and the agenda of the summit. Beyond the African Climate Summit, this confusion will direct impact Africa participation in another critical UNFCCC process, the Africa Climate Week, as both events are under one accreditation umbrella. Summit organizers have deliberately failed to ensure adequate participation and consultation of non-state actors, especially those from the most vulnerable and marginalized communities, in planning and implementation of the summit.
Ensemo yabaigere beri chiko korwase orogongo rwa Mount Kenya nigo barireira yoko bwatrana erogosemia abanto igoro yeri chiko gokwana chinga kichogo chakiwa wekyombe kia Gema Wadho Association asensemo ya Kiambu Golf Club nigo abawakili abo wetani elweye mo jimibere barire eira yoko murekera mono amangana arengeteri chiko na kwene kiabuna abana inchingo bwati abare eri chiko obwikirano. We are
the custodians of the rule of law, and given that we have now said that we will stand together, we hope that our people will now come together as well, will listen to us, we will give directions.
Now that we are going into economic liberation, it is very important that the Gema lawyers are also involved in the sharing the national cake, in conversations on laws around coffee, laws around tea, laws around milk, the laws around sharing benefits. All of those are laws that concern us because water and other natural resources that we have in Mount Kenya need to be protected.
We are not political. We will not be aligning or working specifically with any political formation in this country. We are here to celebrate our culture and assist our communities socially, economically, political advice, legal advice. That is what we intend to be doing.
Omunyakirogo w'ekyama kya ODM John Mbadi nigo amuchiye serikali kubwatikana nekerengo kya igoro gy'ekibesa ekyaborokiwa Beach University nabo igo chi college bawakana okwana somo chango ensemo ya Nyatike imeye county ya Migori. Mbadi nigatebire na aborokiwa anene bali bakorwa kyamate kitari kwenyara nigera kubabera egetiro aso kwegenderia amasomo abo nigatebire korengana nekerengo y'ekibesa ekiwakanwa aborokiwa bali bakorwa se chinga chikwenyara na buboka barachikokonyeka aso kwegenderia na masomo namono nigaburira serikali kurigereria ngane yo aso bwimekegima.
University education has been affordable in this country, more affordable than even high school education. Today, because of Kenya Kwanza government and mismanagement and lack of interest, the welfare of wananchi, university education has become unaffordable, and only people who can afford will now acquire education.
Serikali ye kaunti ya Kakamega nigo egenderetie n'umuroberio obwo kwagacha chinyomba eriko konya chiamate chiria chitari kwenyara wikabono chinyomba chimisa to 50 nigo chiagachirwe chinyomba isano nemo asekera ewodi ase chiwodi 50 echo chire imeye kaunti yo ya Kakamega chiamate echo nigo boigo chikonyora obokonyi bwebintu byokorarira buna emeito namarangeti naboigo chibesa gukwana na chinga kiecho nigo mugavana we kaunti ya Kakamega Fernandes Barasa atebire unamba chikogendereria omuroberio yo na koenekia abuna ba mentire chinyomba ase barachikomenta chinyomba Ikomi kere wodi asegeka kiemyaka 5.
Kipi ambacho tunakifanya mwaka huu ni kwamba katika hizo nyumba tunajenga nyumba na tunaweka tangi la maji ili wale ambao wanaishi katika nyumba hizo wasiweze pia kuhangaika na masuala ya maji.
Kila ward imepata beneficiaries 6 and this is going to be an annual program. Kila mwaka tutakuwa tunajengea wale ambao hawajiwezi nyumba 6 kwa kila ward. Tunawapatia malazi, tunawapatia umeona pale mattresses na kuongezea juu tutakuwa kila mtu anapokea shilingi 2,000.
Chiamate wetani 50 nigo batigire batabwatyo bomenyo magega y'umuriro mutindi wateka na gusamba chinyomba cyabo asensemo ya Limuru imeye county ya Kiambu obutukubugukira rero muriro yo nigo gotebekana wateka kurwase nyumba eyemo na kuranda kubwata chinyomba chinde akoirera asare yo kwenekiwa aseboigo abaunchureria bakorera asara yo gusambwa kwibanda byabo naboigo ebintu byabo bagokorera obunchureria nabono nigo eserikali nene yaburiwe kubwatrana ni serikali chechi county akobekense mo chibesa chemibasukano echo chirabe chigokonya abantu bali abakonyora imibasukano engabuneye ase okwegendereria nigabanya nyimbo bagenderete nobutuki eryo kumanya ekini gosekeria ya irerete omuriro yuwateka asensemiyo.
Tumechomekewa na kila kitu, watoto wetu uniform hawana, vitabu ndio hizi zote zimetapakaa huku. In fact anything, hata walitoka bila viatu. Hata mimi wenye tu niko hivi tu ndivyo niko, sina anything else.
Nilikuwa na mbuzi 8. Sasa hii moja ndio imebaki na nilikuwa nakamua mpaka maziwa. Nilikuwa nauzia watu wazima.
Tukue na pesa tumetenga watu wa biashara, wale watu wameadhirika wanawapatia support. Juu watu wengi wanarudi Gishagi, watu wengi wanaumia na watu wengi wanapatwa na depression juu hakuna mtu na
N'abanyagitari wetani chimibere kurwase kaunti ya Nakuru nigo bagosereirie gochaka omugirobo aseka kyamatuke 20 n'elimari bosio akobwatkana na kire bagoteba buna na mazingira mabe ase bagokorera emirimo anenase chinyagitari che serikali namono nigo babeire bakomochi ya serikali ya kaunti ya Nairobi ase ogotaka na bakora emirimo ase semo yebo chenu chibesa cyabo ase chingaki chibwenerete koirira barabu gotekerania emirimo eremia bakora wanu murike monene ase kiombe kia banyagitari Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union KMPDU Davjatela nigo bateire buna wikabakore omugiro gochaka chitariki 23 cy'umutinyiga onye serikali ye county ya Nakuru terigo cyagotegerera nabayigo gwikirania amagani yabo.
Strike is not for just a fragmented section of the doctors. It's for all the 230 doctors in Nakuru. It's for all the consultants. It's for all the pharmacists, it's for all the dentists, it's for all the medical practitioners. And particularly we are protesting against the poor working condition. We are protesting against the poor contracts that are dehumanizing, the poor contracts that are contravening the CBA. We are protesting against not promoting the consultants to the right job group. You are being posted in an hospital as a consultant, as an obstetric gynecologist, as a physician, but then your pay slip reads that you are an intern. It is immoral to do that. And therefore, we are asking them that we may need to wait, but we cannot wait anymore for an injustice to continue being perpetrated. There were promises that were made by the county government at the time of campaigns. We are asking the government to be accountable and deliver those.
Omukonyi w'omugavana bwe county ya Meru Isaac Mutuma nigabeire gakwerera igati amakongo ari agenderete wetera akubwatikana nogo gose ogotatwara obwamateboro buya amono omugavana bwe county yo Kawira Mwangaza okwana chinga kyecho nigo atebire bunere wikagendere gokorera omwananchi emirimo na igo tarigo chia wetigia emirimo ase egekorebwa kyabwango igani ge obisi yabetege kunganywa korwase amagacho yechia bisi chie county yogo cha samaga cha makoro eyere ale ne abisi yo mugavana yenda tebire agikeire na otana no kugania kumurusia asekerogo egendaganirie umurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto oswagati na kugayana erio bwa matobu ya kwene kiwegati yabo bokobakonya gwikirania magendero asabamenyi be county yo.
Since the month of April 2023, my office secretariat has been reduced to 0 personnel or withdrawn without prior attention brought to me. Number 5, I wish to inform the good people of Meru County that the executive arm of the government, led by Her Excellency Honorable Bishop Faith Kawira Mwangaza, has since allocated the executive office of the Deputy Governor, Operations Kitty. The same has not been remitted to my office since February 2023, and as such, I have been running a public office with my own private money. More so, the official vehicle of the office of the Deputy Governor in the recent past.
Mwanchi umuri bono roboti oru na rotoreta omwerio bwa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwenge korenda ya munanda mangento genderete go kwariganiria ayora chikumira na nere Josephat Hamisige koragense ya muna boigo Chinsa isato chia mugoroba eri akomanye asenchera ere yobwikiranu nyora semiroberionsi ya Ndizi TV na bokwendera otonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyora wetera Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bogo tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News eri otogendere gusanga nabo igo kwemanya amange asege kage tari getambe ko rubono abuna botambe umurobere w'emisa Jumapili ngo gochirore asore buno koretwa nere Joseph Mokogoti asengumanyi wabuna abageni baye bayikirega asiritkorera gwatabageni abarabateri korwase kanisa ya St Blaise Nyabururu abo igo bare ase jumuiya ere ase parish ya Nyabururu ono manchi umurire rito basagoskare ekabaime yo murobere w'emisa Jumapili eriobe kogo seseni wa neringana ryo munene na baigo amatera maya ye kanisa yege Catholic orito abwatranera soko ene kya chibichanerio gichawe keire nigakuro kwa Abigail Nyanchama na nchiritriane Everlyne Osero twaro burigere borobia na baigo emagoroba erentoerero.